Participating in regular activity and getting the body moving every day will help in brain development. Daily active lifestyle increases blood flow to the brain. Blood carries oxygen and glucose, which improves focus. This also causes chemicals such as endorphins to increase, which improve mood and help to relieve stress. All these factors help a person to stay active and focused throughout the day, especially at our workplace. Here are the various fun ways to choose to have an active lifestyle and thereby stay focused and active in your everyday works. Exercise with jump ropes. Maybe you're not interested in joining a specific sport but still want to be active on your own. One way is to do this by jumping rope. The advantage is that you can jump rope almost anywhere, alone or with friends. Jump rope is an inexpensive form and it helps to improve coordination and cardiovascular strength. 10 minutes of jumping rope provides the same workout as an 8-minute 1-mile jog. Exercise with your pet dog. Walking has plenty of benefits. Experts say that owning a dog motivates people to exercise when they otherwise wouldn't. If you own a pet dog, it is your responsibility to make sure it is getting the exercise it needs. Taking a dog for a walk or run benefits both you and your pet dog. Dancing. Dancing as a form of exercise can be as simple as free-form dancing with your friends. Regular dance practice will help improve your flexibility, strength, and endurance. Dancing is a great cardio workout that also improves memory. The focus learned in dancing will help you to stay focused at your workplace. Join a sport. Joining a sport like basketball, soccer, etc. help to increase endurance. Keep your body well fueled so you can feel and play your best. Bicycling. Biking helps to learn balance. You can bike for sport or for fun. Instead of riding in a car, bike if the distance isn't too far. Stick to paths you know and try to wear a helmet every time you bike to protect your head. Learn martial arts. Martial arts helps to improve focus and strengthen muscles through strict training. Popular forms of martial arts include karate, taekwondo, kung fu, etc. This is an opportunity for full body workout. Swimming. Swimming is a fun way to get a total body workout. Since it is low impact, many people exercise longer when in a pool. Try joining a swim team or just swim on your own. Running. One of the best ways to stay active and fit is to take part in cardiovascular exercise or cardio. Running can be done almost anywhere. You can run outside or on a treadmill or an indoor track. Be sure to keep yourself hydrated while running. Hiking. Hiking is another form of cardio and a good way to achieve fitness. Going on a hike and experiencing nature boosts your mood and mind. Being outdoor improves creativity. Practice yoga. Yoga combines mind, body, and spirit. Balance and coordination are also practiced in yoga. Yoga also helps to have stress relief. Sometimes you might want a break from rushing around and being online or playing video games. Skating. Skating builds strong leg and core muscles. For any activity, having the right safety equipment is important. Wear protective gear and make sure you have skates which fit properly. Skateboarding. Skateboarding is another great way to strengthen muscles. Many muscles are engaged while skateboarding. While skateboarding can be an extreme sport, anybody can do it for fun. Even doing that takes patience and practice. When you make exercise fun, you'll be more likely to do it every day. Regular exercise is a big accomplishment for a healthy living and to stay focused at every work you commit.